In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can add message effect on TikTok video. Before starting the tutorial, I'd like to let you know about TikTok app. It's an app where you can create videos easily, join daily live stream, and find new creators. Now, open up TikTok app on your phone. After you open up the app, tap on the plus sign which is at the bottom of your screen. Then select effects which is on bottom left. Here you'll find various categories of effects. Scroll from right to left and there you'll see the option of editing. Tap on it. Under editing, there you'll see various effect options. Select the filter which has a person and a pop-up message in it. Then tap on the pop-up message to edit the sender's name and edit message. After that, tap and hold on the big red circle to take video. This way you can add message effect on TikTok video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.